Hello everyone, I'm Zeus Longkayana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please join me in my first and quick unboxing video of Huawei Mate 20X and Huawei M-Pen. Let's go! Okay guys, so this is the box of Huawei Mate 20X. This is the engraved name Huawei Mate 20X on the box, and this is the model EVR-L29. When you buy Huawei Mate 20X, it comes along with Huawei M-Pen, and Huawei M-Pen is for Huawei Mate 20X only, so it means it does not work with Mate 20 Pro. Okay, and we will unbox this one also later. Now let's open the box. There, this is the phone. It's really big. Let's find out what else in the box. Okay, so we have here the SIM card ejector pin, this one, and then inside this is the Huawei warranty card and jelly case, so you can use this one. And then what else in the box? We have here the USB cable, and then this is the adapter. And then we have another one here, the headphone, the headset, okay, and nothing more. Okay, okay, here we go. Let's unbox now the M-Pen and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have here is the Huawei M-Pen quick start guide, and the M-Pen has two extra tips just in case the tip right here is damaged. You can replace it either of these two. Okay, so this is the M-Pen and this is the USB port, and you can use the USB cable to charge this M-Pen. Okay. Now let's see some photos and videos right straight from this phone. Thank you very much guys for watching and supporting my channel, and please leave your comment below, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will be notified for my next video upload. That's all for this quick unboxing video of Huawei Mate 20X, and watch out for my next video, which is about the unboxing of Sony RX100 Mark VA. See you!